Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add and verify an email address in GitHub. This is a simple but important step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it without any confusion. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you normally use. In the search bar, type in GitHub and hit enter. From the search results, click on GitHub's official website to open the homepage. If you don't already have a GitHub account, you'll need to sign up by clicking on the sign up button and following the prompts. If you already have an account, just click on the login button and enter your username and password. Once logged in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Now, in the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings page. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you find the Access section. Under that, click on Emails. Here you'll see the option to add a new email address. In the field labeled Add Email Address, type in the email you'd like to connect with your GitHub account. Once you've typed it in, click on the Add button. After that, GitHub will send a verification email to the address you just added. So head over to your email inbox, wait for the email from GitHub, and then open it. Inside, you'll find a verification link. Click on it to confirm your email. This step is very important because verifying your email ensures your GitHub account is secure and properly updated. Once verified, your new email is successfully linked to your GitHub account, and that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.